What's happening, Hardscapers? Let's talk about how I place these two steps. Let's get into this. So these are solid natural stone steps, and I have an easy way to go about placing them as long as you have the right machine to be able to place them. Essentially, we've got our base, a screed layer, a 24 by 24, in this case 24 by 30 slab, and then our riser. First step goes in place, then our second step, and that one goes on top of ice so that we can get our forks out nicely. And as easy as that, it's in. Ice melts, step goes down. Let's show it. Two steps, but plus the step up. Each step is 7 inches in height. So we've got 7, 14, and then 21 step up to the porch. I have inch screed pipes, but I have 1.5 inch slabs that I'm gonna set, and then the steps are gonna be set on top of those. So 7, 14, 21, plus 1.5 inches for those thickness of slabs is what I wanna be at from top of pipe to top of porch here. So if I do this, I want to be 22.5. I need an extra 1/2 inch, and about the same on that side. Now I don't want to be more than 1.5 inches, so I'm at my max for my screed layer. These are inch pipes. We're raising them 1/2 inch. This should be level now. Bang on. Now I want to have a slight slope, not much, coming off of this way. That way if water hits the steps, it runs off for sure. Here we are. Fill in the rest, screed back. So now that those are in, it's going to be a lot easier to place our steps. Okay, these are cut at 15.5. So that means we have a 14-inch tread step first, 4 feet, and then a 16-inch tread. So that 16-inch tread is going to overhang by 1/2 inch, which is perfect because we want that overlap on that initial step. We opted for a 16-inch tread on this top one, just so, because this is such a overhang on the porch here, it's pretty aggressive compared to most of the time we do this. This is about 5 inches, so that's going to be about an 11-inch tread ish, and that's like minimum that I ever want to go. And then we have a 14-inch tread, so that's why we're going 16-inch, 14-inch, and that 16-inch is going to have a 1/2 inch overlap here. And now if I put this level across 4 feet, and it's completely level there. And that's what we're looking for. That level dot going right across. And it's gonna have a slight slope this way. And that's how we're going to install these steps. I can shift it around. I think so. Maybe a bit more ice. I got it.
Bunch of ice at the front, maybe? Or, yeah, probably. Costco's got ice making machines that make the balls.
Oh yeah.
For scotch and step installations.
I think you got it. Beauty. That's beauty.
That really is satisfying.
The ice?
No, just like it going that well.
Yeah. And there we go. Those are our two steps, 7, 14, 21 to the top. Nice spacing, nice and easy. Ice melts, goes down in place, done. We also completed a full front walkway for this client, as well as a partial side walkway where we excavated down, got rid of the soil down to our subsoil and amended it, separated it from our base with a non-woven geotextile, installed 4 inches of 3/4 inch minus, added in our biaxial geogrid, added another 4-inch lift, compacted, and then screeded and laid our entire front walkway as well as the side walkway. The client wanted as little of space for this walkway. We did end up talking them into widening it a little bit, getting up to 39 inches. Typically we want to go at least 3 feet or 36 inches for our walkways. We then installed an edging stone around that front garden bed and into our steps, and then installed our polymeric sand, roller tamped it, sweeped it in again, and water activated it, taking this space from looking like this, which definitely needed some help, and turned it into a space like this. If you want to see more step projects that we've completed, you can click the playlist that shows up here.